Good morning. Welcome to today's sparkPlug, how to engage students in authentic learning experiences during social distancing. My name is Kiki Huckabee. I'm the Senior Director of Innovative Practices at MindSpark Learning. I've left my email here. Please feel free to reach out with any questions. We're going to jump right into today's first how-to, which is to allow students to explore their own interest. There's a lot of ways that you can do that. The first one is to root their learning in authentic local problems. We have a lot of problems going on in the world right now, and so the more students can see their learning is applicable to the outside world, the more interest that they have. A great example of this is plastic pollution. This is a global problem. It's also a local problem in a lot of different cities and states across the country. And the more students see how this impacts not only humans, but animals and wildlife and ocean life, the more invested they become. So rooted in something that's authentic, that's real, and that students have passion for and get excited about. I had this great mentor teacher tell me that his job was to make students fall in love with learning. His job was not to, increase reading scores by 3 grade levels. His job was just to make students fall in love with learning. And I think that that's so important, especially now. Pique their interests, get them excited about what they're doing. The second how-to is to gather data in their homes, right? Students right now are confined to their homes. Have them take some data on what's going on. It could be something as simple as what shoes are your family wearing throughout that day? Going outside, what data can they collect there? The third how-to is to provide resources that meet their interests. So Newsela or Newsela, however you want to say it, is a great resource. You can type in a subject and it brings up news articles, readings, different articles that meet reading levels and different grade levels. So definitely check out Newsela. Students don't all have to be doing the same thing right now. And then have them show their thinking in multiple modalities. Some students are very outgoing and want to express their personality. Flipgrid is a great tool. You can record videos, send it to your teacher. It's a great way to show your thinking. Other students may want to do a letter or an essay or do something different, but don't require them to show their thinking in the same way right now. The second how-to is to include industry experts. This is huge. So contact local government agencies, local museums, national park services. See how you can include industry experts into your live synchronous or asynchronous classes right now. Get them excited about what they're learning about. Have them ask questions. This is great for that authentic learning experience. Ask parents or colleagues or rely on your network to be experts, right? You don't necessarily have to find a key person. Reach out, post on Facebook, say, hey, we're learning about soil. Do we have any soil engineers out there? Have them join your classes to get students excited. And there's a great resource called Nepris. Definitely check it out. Samsung created this resource. They're a great partner of ours. And basically, you go online, they connect you with an industry expert, and they can zoom into your classes. So definitely check out Nepris. The third and last how-to is to focus on experiential learning. So exploring virtual field trips. Right now, your students, you can't take them on a real field trip. Have them go on a virtual learning experience and get excited about their learning. That's the most important thing. Have them prototype something, right? Solve a problem. This is a great example of a prototype students created for better opioid safety. Again, a real authentic problem in our country right now, and students are solving it. Have them use materials around their house to prototype. Take a picture, send it to you. And then the last one I want to share with you is an app called Goose Chase. Goose Chase is amazing. It is a virtual scavenger hunt. They have many already on there, or you can create your own. But again, it gets students up and moving. It gets them excited about what they're learning. And it's just a great way for them to explore different experiences right now. Thank you for all that you do. Again, reach out if you have any questions. I appreciate all of the teachers out there, all of the educators, and thank you. We'll see you soon.